If you're looking to test a new service offer without a big upfront investment, using freelancer platforms is one of the quickest and most effective ways to get feedback. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage these platforms to test your service offer and refine it based on real-world input. First, let's start with choosing the right freelancer platform. You'll want to pick one that aligns with your service type. For example, Fiverr and Upwork are great if you're testing digital services like graphic design, writing, or marketing. If you're offering something more niche, like technical services or consulting, platforms like TopTal might be more suitable. I recommend starting with a platform that already has a large base of freelancers to ensure you're testing with a variety of skill sets. Once you've picked your platform, create a clear, detailed job posting that outlines the service you want to test. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. A vague description can lead to misinterpretation or mismatched expectations. Tell freelancers exactly what you're testing and what the end goal is. For instance, if you're testing a new social media management service, outline the key tasks you want to evaluate, like creating content or managing ad campaigns. This will ensure you get feedback that is directly relevant to your offer. Next, set your budget. For testing purposes, you don't need to spend a fortune. Consider offering a smaller fee for the first few jobs, as long as it's enough to get quality work. You're trying to gather data, not make a profit in this phase. You might even offer a bonus for exceptional results or valuable insights, as this can incentivize higher quality feedback. As freelancers start submitting their work, don't forget to engage with them. Provide feedback, ask questions, and get their thoughts on what's working and what could be improved. Freelancer platforms are not just for one-way work, they're a goldmine for insights, and this phase is about iterating on your service offer. By collaborating with freelancers, you'll get real-time feedback on what's resonating and where you need to improve. Now, as freelancers start testing your service, pay attention to the reviews and ratings they leave for you. If they offer detailed feedback, make sure to take it seriously. These comments will give you valuable insights into how your service is perceived in the market, and you can use this feedback to tweak your offering before launching it on a larger scale. When you've collected enough feedback, use it to refine your service offer. If the feedback is overwhelmingly positive, you can be confident that your offer is ready for a wider audience. If it's mixed, you'll know which areas need work. If it's negative, take a step back, reevaluate your service, and see where you can improve before testing again. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Freelancer platforms are a powerful, low-risk tool to test your new service offer and gather feedback. Focus on clear communication, detailed job posts, and thoughtful feedback to refine your service and ensure its success in the market. To quickly summarize, first, pick the right platform based on your service. Second, create a detailed and clear job posting. Third, set a reasonable budget for testing. Fourth, engage with freelancers and gather feedback. Lastly, use that feedback to refine your offer. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software I used in this video, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below, only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching and good luck testing your new service offer.